Caspians, we have some more news. Kaspa on Uphold has further done its integrations, and now Kaspa is available in the United States, barring New York, on Uphold Incorporated. This is from Jim Skibum. We're gonna dive into it. We also have some more thrilling information as well in this video. So if you're tuning in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos with your friends and family. Let's spread the word of Kaspa all over to everyone in the space and outside of the space, and how massive this project is, and how it's going to change crypto as far as we know it. Also, become a Patreon. Link to that is in the description. Have a ton of patrons in a private group saying they're so happy they became a patron. All of us are making gains on the Patreon, and it's amazing to see. So to start off, let's go from Jim Skibum. Cas is available in the United States on Uphold. Also, Kaspa withdrawals enabled. Let's take a look. Kaspa is now integrated with Uphold. Our users can now move cash between their Uphold and external wallets. Our latest integration allows you to self-custody cash, giving you more control over your digital assets. Right here, we have a nice graphic as well. Crypto assets. Cas is now integrated on Uphold. That is massive news to see, and this helps, you know, a lot of US users have different places to buy or trade Cas, which is great. We also see that Kaspa got the Binance futures listing as well, which is absolutely massive, and it's going to continue to grow from here, guys. I'm telling you, $1 to $5 per Cas is in the cards. It's still in the cards, and it's always been. And I did state that we would see 10 to 14 cents before the end of the year back in previous live streams, and Cas right now literally just hit 14 cents. So guess what? The 10 to 14 cent prediction before the end of the year literally just happened. We're gonna get into the price action in a second, but Cas has both the technicals and fundamentals on its side, aside from being an incredibly bullish confluence of setups on a technical level. It is the fastest proof of work project in the world on the base layer, and this is what makes it stand out so much to me. Right now, Cas is faster than Visa as far as transaction speed, and it still remained a proof of work project. Remember, to help with scalability, Ethereum had to move to proof of stake, right? Which, in my opinion, was not a great idea for Ethereum, right? Cas is still on its base layer as a proof of work project that maintains so much speed, was 100% fair launch. The founder's work was a core feature in Ethereum. It's literally in the white paper, Jonathan Sampelinski and Aviv Zohar in the Ethereum white paper. The founder's work was tweeted out by official BTC Twitter account in 2014 on scaling Bitcoin. Soon it will increase its speed again to 10 BPS, which is pretty much already live. Smart contracts coming with MEV resistance. World's first scalable decentralized currency can settle transactions instantly, making it the ideal settlement layer for any future L2s. Now, this is the thing. A lot of people always ask, what about the smart contracts? You think smart contract innovation is difficult? There's so many people that make smart contracts through EVM compatibility, where they fork Ethereum. They just fork Ethereum like in its proof of work stage, or even the proof of stake stage up to the Shanghai update, to integrate smart contracts. I don't think smart contracts are going to be difficult for Jonathan and the community devs of Cash Shy, Michael, for example, to integrate. What they're mainly focused on right now is making it like Bitcoin, but as fast and as scalable as possible. Because remember, Bitcoin didn't have smart contracts for a minute until we saw the introductions of ordinals. Now there's an ecosystem on Bitcoin. How long did that take? From 2008 to 2023, like what? Close to 20 years before you finally saw a Bitcoin ecosystem with the introduction of ordinals, right? Smart contracts to me aren't that, you know, aren't that much of a necessity right now. Right now, the goal is to make Kaspa the fastest proof of work project that is still decentralized, that is still scalable, and is still cheap. And it's still cheap. That way, instead of using US dollars or credit cards, you could use Cas to transact on your day-to-day payments, day-to-day settlements with merchants, right? So, Kaspa is a community project that values innovation and fresh ideas with the intention of fulfilling the original vision of Satoshi, which was P2P electronic cash. Cash might be an excellent choice for Elon Musk to use on X, a true scalable, stateless money. Jack, you may also want to take a look. He's talking about Jack Dorsey here. And right here, man, this is an old tweet. This was an older tweet. Yeah, this was an older tweet. I don't know why it showed up on my timeline. Oh man, I guess it's because it got so much attention. 18,000 views. Now we're at 14 cents, right? But what Jim Skiba had said here has, you know, in September has, you know, proved to fruition. His fractals also have been proven to fruition, right? From Kaspa News, Kaspa 100% currently running 1 block per second and gearing up for 10 blocks per second. Not a blockchain, but a block DAG created by a contributor to the ETH white paper. Kaspa solves the crypto trilemma that standard blockchains cannot do. And we're literally in the testnet for 10 BPS, and we already saw, like, from the graphic what 10 BPS mainnet is gonna look like compared to Bitcoin and other protocols. And I'm telling you, it's gonna be massive. Crypto Hound, Kaspa went there like a hot knife through butter. Crypto Hound saying if we reach 12 cent, we maintain 10 cent as support for the next few weeks. The selling wall got swallowed in one giant candle. The way for Kaspa is now open for price exploration. I say 15 cents is imminent, if not 20 to 50 cents by the end of the year. I will say it again, we might actually get to $1 before the Bitcoin halving in March next year, before the actual bull cycle begins. Kaspa gets to $1 before the bull cycle begins. $5 locked in. $5 is definitely locked in if Kaspa gets to $1 before the halving. That's insane. Kaspa News, Kaspa, the revolutionary new currency of the crypto industry. Fix the money, fix the world. From Siam Kid, drew this chart, Kaspa BTC on October 30th of October. At the time, my doodle raised a bunch of eyebrows. What amazed me is that the market moved faster than even I thought. Yeah, Kaspa exploded. This is the Kaspa versus Bitcoin chart. Kaspa exploded like so fast, man. I didn't expect that explosion so quickly. Like it, but you know, when you have technology like you do with Kaspa, man, expect the unexpected. And again, I always say this, Kaspa doesn't give people what they want. People expect Kaspa to dip lower, etc., and retrace lower, etc., to drop extremely deep in its retraces. It doesn't happen. It just doesn't happen. From Kaspa UTXO, Kaspa just pulled off a major move in the crypto world. They flipped both Monero and ETH Classic. Impressive. So you guys see Kaspa flip Monero and ETH Classic right here. And we are on our way to surpass projects like Shiba. Shiba, all of these projects, what's the top 10 looking like right now? We're going to be surpassing all of these before you know it, man. Doge, we're going to surpass Doge. Look at this. Number 28. Doge, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin. Oh my God, Litecoin. No disrespect to Litecoin, but we're going to be coming for that top 10 spot. Tron, TRX. We're coming for that top 10 spot before you know it, man. From Kaspa Silver, TIA got listed first before Kaspa. Really? I mean, we all know why. Kaspa doesn't have the funding for paying for the listing fee, and is a proof of work, so they can't purchase it at a discount. They need to buy at the current price, which currently is at all-time high. And you see Kaspa is not getting listed on Crow and all these other exchanges, because guess what? A lot of these projects that recently came out, they're VC funded backed projects where, you know, they spend a ton of money to get listed on these exchanges, and who knows, they probably gave like the exchanges like coins early so they could, you know, buy them, they could have them cheaper, so whenever the exchange is ready to sell out, they could, you know, get a return on their investment for the listing, right? And it's not the same here with Kaspa. If these exchanges want to list Kaspa, they're gonna have to pump our backs. That's probably why Binance listed it on futures first instead of spot. But since it got listed on futures, I know the spot listing will happen, and it's only just a matter of time before that takes place. Been buying Kaspa since 5005. Jim Skiba now yesterday bought some at 9 cents, and it just keeps growing, man. Again, the price for Kaspa is exploding. It's on its way to it hit 14 cents. We could see 50 cent before the end of the year. How fast it skyrocketed. We could literally see 50 cent Kas before the end of the year because of how fast Kaspa moved up. Kaspa has broken through new all-time high and the 14 cents just 20 minutes after 13 cents from Kaspa enthusiasts. New all-time high for Kas, 14.3 cent. Kas now seems to be getting the attention it deserves. These are going to be wild times. So the new all-time high is in for Kas at 14.8 cent. And again, 50 cent before the end of the year could be in the cards. It really could. From Diego, to close out the video, we got a Kaspa meme. Kaspa memes are the best. Jonathan, stateless money of Kas, $1 decentralized proof of work coin, $1 one Kaspa. Look at this. Caspians, if you got value, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos with your friends and family, and also become Patreon to get access to my buy alerts, sell alerts, and my private Telegram group. The people in the private Telegram group have been making nice gains on projects that we think have potential and, you know, could give you a potential 10x in gains in the short to midterm, right? We already made a few 2 to 3x's in the private Telegram group, only available in the link in the description. So become a Patreon member right now. Don't miss out on that opportunity. Thank you once again, Caspians, for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.